So here I am back again in Las Vegas for the second time with the Unicity mission, here to change the world, change people's lives for the better. So what is Unicity? Where did they come from? Well, they grew out of Rexall Drugs, a chain of pharmacies back in America. They developed with a natural care division. They came up with a groundbreaking invention to help lower, at that time, target cholesterol, which was called Buyer's Life and Buyer's Life Slim, as you see from 2010. They continued, and then they launched Unimate to help with metabolic health issues through their labs, through their global development, and then the emergence of the Feel Great system, packaging the two together, which had the wonderful impact on our metabolic health, which we're launching and promoting now. And that mission is guided and led by the chairman and CEO of Unicity, Mr. Stuart Hughes. And this mission is built on networks of people, freedom fighters all around the world, building networks, changing lives. And here are going through the gallery of representatives, different ranks, as they work harder to spread the message, to change people's lives. I hope you can see from these photos, they're all ordinary people from all around the world, a mixture of nationalities, ages, professions, specialties, all with the same mission in mind, guided altruistically to change the world through their health. And here is my upline, Miss Dana Estelle. As we turn the corner, we go up to the higher ranks, people who have been maybe in the business just 2 or 3 years. Look at the faces. Look at the passion they have to change the world. And in the meantime, obviously change their lives as well. The ultimate level, the diamond, is on this panel here. Then we progress round to the people who strive and become double diamond. And a few which reach triple diamond. And then beyond that, there's even another rank, which are the real global ambassadors or crown diamond, changing the world. Look at their faces. Look at them. We're guided by this wonderful power couple, Ravi and Malik from Toronto, Canada. Unicity also has their Make Life Better Foundation, the charitable arm helping charities and changing lives in needed countries.